Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be talking about this pop voice microphone and the benefits of having one if you're just starting a YouTube channel, a vlog, or anything like that. Why it's so useful to get one of these before you start doing anything, and I'll show you from my experience how I learned this. So I started my YouTube channel a couple months ago, and when I started, I didn't want to spend lots and lots of money if I didn't like this or if YouTube was just not my thing, so I wanted to use what I have. I was going to use my phone and anything else in my household that would help hold up my phone or anything else like that. So when I started, I thought, hey, I have a smartphone. It's 2020, 2019. It has great microphones, it has great speakers. I talk on the phone all the time. I talk on speakerphone. Everyone can always hear me. So why not just use my phone? And when I started recording my videos, and I was standing about a foot, 2 feet away, this is where I am right now, I would play back my videos and it would just be dead silent, and I would crank up my phone full volume and you could barely hear me. And I was like, why? Why is this happening? I'm only standing a foot away, 2 feet away, directly in front of the camera, and I cannot hear anything. So when it came to uploading my first couple of videos, when I didn't have a microphone, I had to use some audio amplifiers, amplify the sound of my video, which increased a little bit, but it made it even worse because it added noise to it. So from the very beginning, I realized I made one little mistake and was not investing a little bit. I ended up investing nothing in the beginning, just deciding to use what I have. And that kind of didn't work out in the beginning. And if you're curious how that looks, check out my first couple of videos. You'll see a big difference between now and then of how much better the volume is. So after a couple of those videos, I realized that this wasn't going to work out, that my phone microphone wouldn't work. So I jumped right on it and went to buy a microphone. And the reason I did it was, if you have a YouTube channel or a vlog or anything else, the people that are watching have to hear you. And if they can't hear you, you won't get views, you won't get followers. It's very important. The video is as important as the sound, and if they can't hear you, nobody's going to watch it. So I jumped on it. I went on Amazon, searched for a Lavalier mic, looked for a $10 to $20 range microphone that Amazon would recommend, because I didn't want to, once again, splurge too much money on it. And I went for this microphone, and what you get with it is you get this microphone, which has a 6 foot long audio jack. So if you want to stand far away from your video, that is very useful. You also get this adapter that you can plug in if you're recording on your laptop or anything else. This is right here. It comes with it. And you also get 3 of these muffs that you put on the actual microphone just in case you lose it, it rips, or anything else. And by the way, these muffs are very important because they block out all those little noises in the background. So I would definitely have this on. Don't take it off when it's on your microphone and so on. And I made that mistake. And if you guys are watching this, don't make the same mistake I did. Buy this microphone from day one if you want to start a YouTube channel, because you'll be surprised at how much of a difference this microphone makes compared to your phone. And I'll show you right now the difference of quality it makes. So right now I just put the microphone exactly where my phone microphone is. So I'm currently sitting 2 feet away from the microphone. It's on my phone, and this is the quality that you're getting from me talking in a normal voice. And after this, I'm going to show you the microphone on my phone and how you will not be able to hear me talking at the same volume. So this is me talking using my built-in microphone on my phone. And just to give you for reference, I'm using the Google Pixel 1, so the phone's only 3-4 years old, and it's a good phone. And by the way, it's also 2019, 2020, so the phones in this era should have great quality. And as you can tell probably, you can barely hear me, and you have to really crank up the volume to do it. And what you're hearing now is the microphone being right on my shirt, the same place it's been the whole video. So you can see an actual difference from having the microphone plugged in and using the built-in phone one. It makes such a difference. So if you plan on starting a vlog, a podcast, or anything that requires hearing you when you record, make sure you buy an external microphone, because it won't work. Your phone microphone will be such a disappointment, and that's what I learned in my first couple of videos, and I actually disappointed myself for not splurging anything or splurging any amount of money to get any equipment to start my YouTube channel. If this blew your mind of how much of a difference it makes to have a external mic versus the built-in one for recording video, podcasts, or anything else, please hit that subscribe button and smash that like button to support me, because I'll be talking about a lot of other cool tech. And tech doesn't have to be expensive. You don't have to have the top of the line stuff to produce what you want to produce. Budget equipment like this microphone, which costs about $10 to $15, as you can tell, is doing just enough for what I needed. And later on, if I need to upgrade, I will. But for now, this is perfect. So if you guys are just starting out on YouTube or plan on doing anything that requires good audio, please comment down below with what are you planning on using, or what is the initial setup that you plan on having when you make your first video, or what was the setup that you used when you had your first video. One other purchase that I made to start my YouTube channel was a tripod for my phone, and if you want to know more about it, check it out on the right, and make sure to subscribe to not miss anything in the future, because I'll be doing a lot of other tech related things. See you guys.